I know, right? Isn't that crazy? Good afternoon, Doak cooks. We are doing an outside edition. It is what feels like 1,000 degrees out here. It is hotter than Hades. I'm in the shade, thank goodness. And we're gonna grill. We're gonna throw some sausages on the grill. What? We just did sausages a couple days ago. That's weak, I know. But these sausages, we're not gonna chop up and add to anything. These sausages, we're just gonna eat. I know, novel idea. So let us get our charcoal up and going. Oh, and this massive piece of packing, I got this from an Amazon box, and I kept it so that I could use it as my starter for all of my charcoal. And it looks as if I've got plenty of paper. All right, well, let's get some charcoal going. All right, for tonight, I am not overfilling my starter. I'm just putting a normal amount because I'm only cooking 10 sausages. I will overload my starter with my charcoal if I'm doing something, like a sheet pan pizza. That's a little crazy. So we're not doing that tonight. I'm just cooking up some sweet Italian sausages. All right, let's get some fire. So I'm going off tripod, and this thing is so hot. Can you guys see that? See how I have separation? So my top rack, I've lost a screw. I've lost a nut. I've lost a bolt. I need to find a nut in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere, but that's really, really hot, so I'm gonna wait, but I'm not gonna use my top rack to this evening. Okie dokie, well, good thing I caught that. Brutal. All right, we're up to temp. It's 300. Ooh, somebody's put on suntan lotion. It smells good. All right, so we are not doing a mixed grill. I am not messing with the top rack. We're going to cook up these sausages because we are going to eat these bad boys. Now, we are not going to eat 10 sausages, so I'm going to have some left over. I'm sure I will do something with them in some kind of sauce or what have you. Ow, it's super hot. All right, so let's get these guys nice and charred. Okie dokie. All right, let's see how we're doing. Oh, awesome. Yeah, we're doing great. That looks fantastic. Sweet. All right, well, let's keep those guys going. Okay, everybody looks pretty good. Although he could stand to be over there. There we go. Awesome. Sweet. All right. Now I have a whole space over here that I could do something. I'm not. I might do that for the buns, but our focus right now is all of our heat is here for our sausages. All right. Let's bring it down. Super hot. All right. So what did I do? I moved all of my dark sausages from that side over here. Why? Because that side is cooking hotter than over on this side. So I'm going to take my nice dark guys, leave them here. I'm going to take my nice light guys who see me cooking, put them back over here. Again, it's all about heat maintenance on the grill. You are moving your meats around, or you're moving your products around. It can be meat, it can be vegetable, it can be fruit. I don't care. You're moving it around as the heat is changing on your grill. So be aware of how your heat changes and gets hotter and cooler as the charcoal cooks. All right, just keep that in mind. All right, I've moved all my sausages from the heat off heat, so now they're gonna rest and continue cooking off indirect heat, so they're not gonna get charred anymore, because that's about the color we like. We like them to look like that. A little char, a little split, a little juicy, a little spitty. We're fans. That's how we like them. So now for the next 5 minutes, they're gonna hang out here, and I'm gonna shut this, and then we'll come back. See you guys in 5. So of the sausage that I have, everything's cooked, everything's great. I'm just looking to uniformly brown a couple of these that, like that guy could stand to get just a little extra color on that one side. And again, I do most of this stuff because of my OCD. Like, I do most of this stuff because I can't just not. Woo, that's super windy. Yeah, these guys all look great. These guys look pretty well. That could stand just a little darker. All right, just a little, just a smidge. All right, I said we were done in 5 minutes, and apparently once again, I lied. All right, so these guys are good. I want to brown these guys a little more. So 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. right, I'm taking sausage off grill. It's time.
I got a broken face.